1, 2, 3, microphone check. One, two, three, microphone check. Okay, it works. Hello guys and welcome to my channel QANSIGLIERE. Today I'm going to continue working on my library to emulate car behavior, but at the beginning of this conversation, let me remind you guys that you have a really great opportunity to ask me any questions directly. To do that, you just need to open my YouTube channel, click here to get access to all available links, and you need to click on the first one link. It will open a new page with Google Form where you can write your questions and send them to me. From my side, I'm going to review all your questions and provide answers in my next videos. So, what today we are going to implement? Today we want to continue improving my library based on JavaScript to emulate car behavior. Let's create a new branch. Let's launch GitHub desktop application. Let's refresh it. And let's create new branch, call it day 3. And I have some ideas how we can reorganize our scripts, what we could improve. So let's launch Visual Studio Code. And yeah, we are ready. So let's change first of all the version of our library, and today we will work on the following items. First of all, I'm going to create separate files for different objects, plus I'm going to create separate test scripts for different objects, plus we will create a new model for modifiers, and for the current state improve tax logic, and let's remove number fixed operation because it brings some issues to rounding, and today is our plan for the stream. So what we will start to do, let's open cart.js file and let's create separate scripts for different models. So first one will be for tax.js, and here we will move this one object. Let's do model exports tax. That's done. Also, let's create a separate file for product. Done. What else we have here? We have normalize. Let's create additional file, utils, and let's copy this function to utils. Let's do model exports for it. Done. Now we need to connect our classes to cart. So what we are going to do, here technically we should do nothing, because all logic what is implemented here, it's related to cart itself, and here we do not use any tags or product. So all these items should be used here, except normalize. Var require tools.js, and here we provide the name. Done. Also we should improve index file. Okay, here we use from tags, and here we use product from product. Let's check what everything still works well. For this purpose we use command npm test for unit testing, and we see what only one test case is, no, 11 test cases are failed, and it's related to normalize function. Where it's used in tags. I use it in tags. Okay. Okay, let's use var require tools. Done. Okay, also I want to refactor my test cases, so let's create test cases for tags model. Let's create test cases for product. Let's create new test cases for cart tests. Cheers. And now we can make optimizations one by one. Just check our scenarios. Let's see where we have issues. Okay, other fails are related to empty test cases. So what we will do here, we just copy this, open cart, paste. From jest file, let's remove it. Done. What else? Package.json file, we will not use it anymore because I have updated already version of it. What else we could do? Let's change normalize method. Now it uses 6 digits. Okay. So let's play with taxes. To play with them, let's copy their test cases. Okay, that's done. And here we also could validate what. Let's open just documentation. Okay, and here we need to find the function to compare with array. To contain expect to contain. Okay, let's improve our test cases. We create a new tags. We do expect from object keys new tags and to contain. To contain. And here we will have a list name. Tax percentage value and tax rate. Save. Let's test our solution. Okay, so technically we should compare maybe let's use too much. Let's use to equal. Okay, all other issues are related to problems with rounding. Okay, we completed with tags. Okay, what is next? Next object is created for product. So let's copy it. Let's remove tags and product. Let's remove this one. And what we do here, let's open product JavaScript file. Okay, apply taxes. Okay, let's remove quantity and let's create a new product. Okay. let's create a flag is untaxed false. Done. And is untaxed. Done. We have name, cost, price. So what we can create? Coffee cup. New product. We have to provide only price and name, and other values are not required. So too much. Coffee cup quantity. Okay, and what we do? Is untaxed. Done. And expect object keys from new product to equal, and it will be an array. Cost, price, name, applied taxes, apply discounts, applied service fees, is untaxed. Tax included. Create a date. Update a date. Order tax amount. With order amount. Okay, done. Let's run our test case. Okay, this problem is solved, right? Also, what we could do? We could add modifiers model. Let's create class modifier. Model exports modifier equal to modifier. Done. Copy this value to index. Okay, done. What else? Let's create constructor for modifier. It will have two fields, price and name, and yeah, technically it should be enough for now. Done. Okay, let's create a new test case for it. New file, modifier.test.js. Okay, modifier from index, create a modifier, new modifier, and it has a price and name. And let's say what it costs, 99 cents, and name is sugar. So we validate only these two fields, name, price. Name is sugar, and it has price, name, create a date, update a date, and order tax amount. Done. And for product, we can create additional list, applied modifiers, and this applied modifiers, done. And let's add this information for this case. Done. And here for applied modifiers. Done. Let's run our test cases. Okay, 6 failed. Modifiers, price, name. Create product, create modifier. Okay, we have two failed scenarios. Modifier, yes, price is not correct. And for product, okay, now all issues are related to calculations. Perfecto. Okay, for product we can close it, and for modifier we also can close it. Let's import also modifier here. Done. Now what we want to do, let's play with cart library itself. Let's check where we have normalize function. Save and let's run our test cases. Okay. Separate files done. Separate the scripts done. Done and done. Now what we want to do. We want to create this case for blank order. Blank order with tags. Blank order with tags and we remove tags. Order with tags. One quantity product. Remove tags from item. Plus tags. Remove tags from item. And we copy these two scenarios and add modifiers. And we do the same with quantity 2. And we do the same twice. 2x. Okay. Very huge list of plane changes. Okay, now we can play with taxes. solved all issues with bills, so now we can play with test cases and with tax calculations. So let's imagine what we have: a prevailing tax, $8,875. Okay, now let's check scenario. Blank order, create. This one could be closed. Okay, we create a new card and an item and quantity is equal 1, and what we do, product quantity equal to quantity, and we need to refactor these two methods. How we calculate tax? Okay, so let's keep this one. Test is closed, and expect from object keys new card to equal okay, apply taxes, tax included, items applied, UUID, create a date, update a date, is closed, tax amount and total amount. Done. Okay. Let's copy from this list, and let's say section number 1. Blank order. Okay, done. Okay, this one part will be solved in next time. create a new card. Okay, create prevailing tax in card, create a prevailing tax, and remove taxes from card. What we will do, we remove taxes from card, and for each item we recalculate okay item tax amount okay total tax amount and total amount card total tax amount and total tax amount. Okay, I think I broke everything, but it's needed. Okay, when we add item item tax amount and item price amount. Okay, we provide quantity first. Tax included, true, false. Items. Quantity. Item. Okay, we need to recalculate with my model. Calculate item tax and calculate undefined what do else calculate order tax too early. Calculate order total too early. And yeah, remove tax. We do these two operations right now. Remove tax from cart, remove tax from item. So we do here this method, and we create okay. Done. A lot of tests. Let's check the state of our tests right now. Spam. Okay, and it doesn't like comments. Okay. It's strange. Okay, let's copy it and change list. Support quantity, discounts, support modifiers, and so on. Okay, cart. When we add any item to the cart, we should write the code to calculate item tax amount and item price. Okay, let's try it one more time. Okay, the problem is in key name, total tax amount, and total amount. And total okay, and this final total. Okay, let's improve these cases. Let's add this one field here. Let's add this one field here, add it here and here. Okay, let's test. Okay, test cases work well. Okay, blank card. Let's rename it to blank card. And let's create another test file. And let's call it single item card. Okay, single item on the card. And here we need to implement more stuff. Technically, this one part. Okay. Save and zero price, zero price. Okay, so let's do the first one case. Let's create with new tags, preview apply taxes, tax included items, so new cart. Let's create a product. Let new product equals to new product. Let's use price name. Okay. Let's use price $5.99. Name brownie. Okay, cost 0. Apply taxes nothing. Apply modifiers and okay, and implement untaxed logic. Okay, done. Done. Now we do the following operation. We use new card and add item, new product, and quantity is 1 and 0 price. Right. Okay, so what we are going to expect? We validate what list of items should be changed, right? And we should check calculations. These 3 options should be here. Also, from items, 0 item should has a key quantity and it should equal to 1. Done. What else? Item tax amount should equal to 0. Item price amount should equal to 0. Is removed should be false. Calculate orders and calculate price. Okay. So what we do? The next item tax amount should equal to 0. This one item price amount should equal to 0 and to be falsy. Okay, copy this one is removed. Okay, and validate parameters for order. Item level, character level. Okay, let's run. Okay, it's validated because of logic to calculate item tax amount and item price amount. Okay. I think these parts will be implemented in the next series. Calculate modifier prices, calculate product taxes, calculate product quantity. What else? We take quantity and based on it we can calculate item tax and calculate item tax and calculate item price. But these functions will be added in the next time. Thank you guys, thank you for watching this video. Feel free to subscribe to the channel, provide any comments about this stream, and see you in next time. Have a nice week guys, bye.